Hello guys, and Merry freaking Christmas. It feels like this whole week has just crept up on me, and one minute it was March going into first lockdown and the next minute it was Christmas week, and hope you guys are having a lovely Christmas season so far, despite the weird circumstances and the fact that we can't see family and friends. I hope you're making the most of little moments like eating food or just watching Christmas films and TV, and also a lot of YouTube, which is what this video is about. It is my traditional annual what I got for Christmas, and it is a very nice little haul, and of course it also includes a Christmas present to myself because I deserved a lot of treats this year, because this year was a mess. A freaking mess. So, and my poster agreed to me because it's just falling on the floor. That is fantastic. We're just gonna carry on like it never happened. Before we get started, comment down below what your favourite thing has happened to you this Christmas time, or your favourite present that you've received. And as a disclaimer, as I say every single year, no way am I bragging or showing off what I've got, even though this video technically is that. But if you want to be nosy, then just carry on watching. So I'm going to start with presents I bought myself because I deserved it. So the first things I got are from Skinny Dip, because I was on the website buying a present for my friend, and then I was like, it's Cyber Monday, I deserve a treat. So, as you know, I love a bag. I love a cute pastel aesthetic sparkly Skinny Dip bag. That's also a Crossbody bag, and I saw this on the website and I had to get it because look at it. I'm like a magpie when it comes to shiny things. I love it. It has got this really pretty clasp. It should fit my phone in. It's got a crossbody like strap inside, and I just love the colour. It's really nice and soft as well, and yeah, I just love the colour purple. Very iridescent, very pretty, very festive. And I don't know if it's on the website anymore. Like I said, got it in Cyber Monday sale and it was calling my name, so I had to get it. I absolutely love it. The other thing I got from Skinny Dip is actually some earbuds. It is their wireless earbuds plus. I haven't unpacked it yet, so I don't know the quality, but I'm going to do it as soon as I finish this video, and I'll let you know on my Twitter and Instagram if you want to follow me there. Links in the description box. I've always really wanted some earbuds, especially since I got the iPhone 11, but they're really expensive, especially the like official Apple ones. So when I saw Skinny Dip had these ones in their Cyber Monday sale, originally $14, I think I got them for £10 off. So hopefully they should be good. Apparently they got high quality sound, touch control and wireless connectivity, which is the box, and I think they'll be really nice to fit easily into my bags, especially this one when I'm out and about. So because music is my life, constantly listen to music, but sometimes the wires do get on my nerves, so that was a treat to myself. And before we get into the big thing, because there's some things on top of the big thing of the Christmas present to myself, I'm going to show you what my Secret Santa got me, because I cannot share this. I'm going to paint it today at some point, and it is a paint your own flower pot, which is the cutest thing ever. And this is what it's supposed to look like, which I'm going to do as close to it as possible. Do I have enough colour for this? Yeah, I think I got it. So I'm going to spend time doing this, and then a plant is going to go in there, which is exciting. Also got some chocolate, which I love. So thank you Secret Santa for that treat. And then the thing I also got myself, because I work for Lush, so I do get a nice generous discount. So I got one of the Christmas gifts. I did buy the Well box in September, which you can watch on this card here, or just search it through my channel, which is the biggest Lush Christmas gift of this year that you can get. But I've used most of it already, so I thought treat myself to another gift and use the box for the new decorations I bought myself this year, like this cute little polar bear right here, and it is so beautiful. Look at it. It's the illustrations that get me because I'm into my illustrations. I'm even training to be a professional illustrator, but self-teaching myself, if that makes sense. So it's called The 12 Days of Christmas, and it looks like a beautiful book. And look at the detailing on that. That's insane. And the back as well. I just love it. This is like a very fancy, high quality gift that you can get someone. And it is usually £75 if you're wondering. And I will show you on the back what you get because I'm going to actually open this on my Lush account. So follow me at LushGA. I'll also link it in the description box below. And you will see that because this will take forever, this video, to film it all. So this is what you get. You get a mix of different things. You get soap, bubble bath, bath bombs, shower gel, body milk, body butters, all kinds of fancy festive things which I'm obsessed with. And some of these products in here are my favourite, like Kinky Boots Bubble Bar, Yog Shower Gel, Polar Bear Plunge Bubble Bar, and also Jingle Bells Bath Bomb because I'm obsessed with that. I've already got 4 bath bombs of that product in my stash, but it might not come back next year, so I bought a lot. So very, very excited about that. And now it's onto the gifts that my family have given me, and I'm going to start with this necklace which my parents got me. I accidentally kicked the camera, but it's this really pretty necklace from H&M that my parents got me, and it's got like a choker bit, kind of like an emerald green stone bit, and this nice little long bit here. It's like a nice layered gold necklace which I'm actually really into at the moment. Very, very dainty, which is what I like as well. So I'm very, very happy with this, and I really like it as I'm modelling right now. Very happy, thank you. So collectively from the family I got a lot of chocolate. Got Ferrero Rocher because it is the most festive chocolate you can get, and I always get it at Christmas. And what is Christmas without Ferrero Rocher? Got Guardian Belgian chocolates, which is also very festive, and I only ever have these at Easter or Christmas or my birthday. So very nice treat. And then the other chocolates are, I've got 2 packs of mini rump truffle chocolates which are infused with alcohol because as a 23-year-old, I'm starting to get into alcohol a bit more. Ooh, never thought I'd say that. So I've got 2 packets, one for my aunt and one for my parents, so that will keep me going for a long, long time. And then sticking with other things, I got this really lovely candle from my aunt which matches my nails, and it's frankincense and myrrh scented candle, and it just smells really nice. It's not too strong, but you definitely smell it, and it just looks so fancy. It looks like something you get from Unported, which is one of my favourite brands, but they're a bit too expensive, but I want to spend all my money in that shop. So I absolutely love it. It's gonna go somewhere, probably where a current Christmas candle is sitting, because it's a really nice winter candle. Other things I got, generally I got a book voucher, TK Maxx voucher because TK Maxx is one of my favourite shops ever. Got some money, and then my aunt also got me this really cool Christmas decoration which I'm gonna put on the tree as soon as I finish this video, and it is a really cool turkey. It looks so cool and vintage as well, with like the lemon slices and holly and the way the turkey looks cooked. I'm trying to buy more of these decorations now to like make my tree look more kitsch, vintagey, kind of like cool. I I don't know, more novelty. I don't know what to say. But I've got a few already. I've got her air balloon. I've got a Santa on the bike. I also have a gingerbread house up here, which you can't see. But yeah, I'm very, very excited about this. And then the other thing my mom and my dad got me is calf kiss and hand cream, because calf kiss and hand creams are actually pretty damn good. And they're so rich and buttery, but also kind of like lightweight, so they sink easily into the skin. So I'm going to carry this in my bag, especially when we're washing our hands a lot. So yeah, that is literally everything I got for Christmas. A nice little haul, which I'm actually very happy with. So yeah, and I'm going to show you guys next year all of the bits I've used my Christmas money and vouchers on, so keep your eyes out for that. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy this little video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click notification bell below to get updates when I next upload a video. So enjoy your new year, your start to 2021, which is crazy, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye! And I also want to apologise if I've been looking at the viewfinder a lot, because I don't know why, but I've just got into a habit of doing that. But yeah, goodbye!